Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
It's story time. The girl saw a chirpy sparrow on a sunny day. She gave it a sunflower. Sparrow was happy and chirps louder. Both were happy. Being close to nature.
Let's meet with new sounds.
S, s, s.
Let's do actions with me.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s, s. The snake is in the grass. Every object has an initial sound. Like sun, sparrow, sunflower. S, s, sun. S, s, sparrow. S, s, sunflower. Dear kids, what do you know about sunflowers? What is the color of a sunflower?
See you in the next lesson.